You're watching the Peak Practice Minute, real takes from industry thought leaders in personal injury law on the issues moving the practice towards its peak. Brought to you by Synergy.
I think that we have transitioned from, we are amidst essentially the industrial revolution, technologically speaking, in our space. And it is almost malpractice to not leverage technology. It's not a preference. It's necessary. It's necessary not only to compete, it's necessary to serve your clients. It's necessary to get your clients maximum bang for your buck. And it is hubris to think that humans are better at certain things than the AI tools are. That's not to say they're going to replace all humans, but to say I could outrun a car would be silly. I would submit it's also silly to say you can outthink an AI. And so you just need to figure out how to leverage it. And I think that the successful firms of tomorrow, regardless of size, are going to be people that regularly use AI as a thought partner. They're regularly looking at how to improve their process. They're looking at how to equip their people to execute their vision. And that is going to be the firm that's going to succeed tomorrow.
That was the Peak Practice Minute. Join the community of personal injury professionals leveling up at partnerwithsynergy.com/peak practice.